Hi my loves, welcome to my YouTube channel. Igama lam Thulisile Kolweni. If you are new here, welcome. Please don't leave without subscribing, commenting and liking this video, and also sharing it with your friends and your family. And if you're my day one, welcome back my loves. You guys know what it is, what it do. All right, so in today's video I am bringing you guys something that I haven't seen in YouTube in such a long time. What's in my bag? And this is what's in my bag. So this is my bag, this is my handbag. So I'm bringing you guys an edition of what's in my handbag. So this is a bag from Zara. It actually comes with two, but I prefer this one unless I'm going out, then I can use the other one because the other one has gold thing on it, and it has something that makes it a leather thing here. So this is my handbag. So what's in my bag? And what's nice about this bag, you can use it as a crossbody. And you can also take out this if you don't want it to hang. So you can take out the belt and just wear the bag like this. So let's do this. What's in my handbag? So number one, we are in a panorama. I have a sanitizer in my handbag, which I got from at home. It's a 250 ml, and this was 89 rand. And I have my lip gloss thing, which is almost running out, from Elizabeth Arden. I have that from Elizabeth Arden 8-hour cream. I have a tissue paper and I have these are panty liners. I have my bus ticket. I have a chewing gum, which is a Stimrol Infinity. I have two of these. The Clicks HP Balanced Soap and Alcohol Free, which are everyday wipes, intimate wipes, you know. And then I have medication, which is painkillers, Brufen. Yes. I have a hand lotion, my earphones, work keys, tampons, a small sample fragrance, Be Delish by DKNY, nail clipper, Zaga, a few, and then I have more money, coins, and I have money like coins. So that's what I have, and that's my bag. There's nothing else. So yeah, that's what's in my bag. So thank you so much my loves for watching this video. Please do comment down below and subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and thank you to everyone that has already subscribed. Please also comment in the comment section what would you like to see more on my YouTube. And I see that my Eastern Cape vlog is doing so much, which I'm really thankful. Thank you so much my loves. I do want to do more vlogs, but yeah, maybe we will have one in December. Maybe I'll do a mini vlog in December as well. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I will definitely see you in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment and share this video. I love you so much. Mwah.